Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a double unboxing of the same day. So this is the Royal Genesis G5, and right here, this is a right spin, a stamina type, and a D78 and TH20. So yeah, let's do it on double unboxing and one time and one rise, I'm thinking. Sorry if I sound tired, because I am. It's due to 12:05 a.m. in the morning. You'll be seeing this first video at least today. Let's get my new knife in it. Hold up, guys. Sorry about that. I should have grabbed it. I got a new knife in, so yeah. Let's get into it. Brand new, sharpened and everything. Okay. There we go. And the driver. There we go. There's the supposedly engine driver right here. That looks pretty cool. Before you say anything, yes, here's the code. That's a pretty cool. This kind of reminds me of this. Hold up, this. God damn it. Okay. Bloody hell. I just looked at my subscriber count. Thank you again for 386 subscribers. Jeez. But yeah. Let me get to this. Let's see how good the stamina is. Is it this one here? But this disc looks very familiar to me. Oh, pretty good. Stay tuned for battles with these guys. I did ask before I say anything about the other waves. I did go to a coworker not coworker, employee at Target and asked if they had any of the dual packs. No, they didn't, but I'm still looking. Yeah, I literally got off of work. I was doing a 3 to 9 shift. But yeah. So this is what it kind of reminds me of. This style. Just a wee bit different, but you can tell besides a few different design choices, but yeah. Let's get the other one unboxed, so you can see the double feature. I'm actually doing this. I bought the two that they had there. If you saw in my other video. So yeah. Yeah. But what do you guys think about my new knife, unboxing knife? Oops. This thing is razor sharp. I literally dropped this one by accident into wood. It went around this deep in to the wood. That's how sharp this guy is. There we go. Another parts for you guys. So yeah, hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And stay tuned. Goodbye.